YouTube, it's Alicia Burton, and I have my very first DIY that I'm going to do here. So I'm going to show you where it's supposed to be looking like. So it's going to be looking like this. And I'm going to tell you everything you're going to need to do this. So without further ado, you're going to need some type of velvet shoe. It can be a bootie or a heel. That's that. You're going to need some appliques. Make sure it's the iron-on. If they're not the iron-on, you still can make it work. So I have the non-iron-on. I got mine off of Amazon. So you're going to need that. So, like I said, you're going to need some appliques. Excuse me. And then the next thing you're going to need the Andels fabric fusion, permanent fabric adhesive and stuff. So I'm going to tell you how to use this as well. So I just showed you what what we're going to be doing. I already had an applique on there, so I decided to add one more. So the way I do it is, so if you see a glare, I'm actually going to have to put my glasses on to do it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put my adhesive on. So the way I do it is I start at the, excuse me y'all, I'm getting tongue-tied right now. The leaves. And what I do is I'll make a little X in the middle. To make sure I have enough on. Now, keep this by you. And that's one. So, then I'm going to turn this way. And we're going to line it up. Turn this to here. And there you go. But to make sure the other piece stay down as well, you're going to turn it back. Take the glue. And there you go. And that's all you have to do. And you're through. And the way you do it is to let it dry between 2 to 4 hours. And 48 hours turned inside out, low temp. So, I mean, that's all it takes. And so, you know, this stuff is very popular. So, here's this one. And you see that? I have the flower in the front, flower on the side. Let me pull the other ones. Flower here. And the flower here. You can do it any kind of way. You don't always have to place it. I feel like you don't have to place the flower at the same place. And if you see a little more light today, it's because I have an LED light I'm being using as extra lighting. So until then, y'all, I'm Alicia Burton. If you like these DIYs, please give me a thumbs up this video, comment below, and say